A former UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav wants cops to be booked for murder, and he has ignored all the proof as far as this case is concerned. There's fresh evidence to disprove the claims. Now, Sambal police has found cartridges made in Pakistan and the United States from the site of violence near the mosque, and Sambal SP says that the state police does not use any of these things.
संभल में पाक आर्मी मेड कारतूस बरामद हो रहे हैं। फॉरेंसिक डिपार्टमेंट्स को, फॉरेंसिक टीम को इस तरह के नए साक्ष्य मिल रहे हैं और ऐसे समय में राजनीतिक नेताओं का वहां जाकर के भावनाओं को भड़काना और महंगा हो सकता है। इसलिए स्थानीय प्रशासन ने निर्णय किया है कि किसी भी राजनीतिक दल के कार्यकर्ता नेताओं का अभी वहां प्रवेश प्रतिबंधित है और राहुल गांधी जी पहले भी इस बात के लिए कुख्यात रहे हैं कि वो जहां जहां जाते हैं माहौल को भड़काने का काम करते हैं। इसलिए मजहबी तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति करने वाले नेता संभल से दूर रहें तो बेहतर।
जिस घटनास्थल पे जिसपे जो डेड बॉडी मिली थी उस जगह से आज एक बड़ा ही चौंकाने वाला तथ्य सामने आया है, जिसमें POF 9mm 68-26 ये एक फायर्ड केस मिला है। प्लस नहीं FN स्टार करके ये कोई केस है जिसमें जो हैमर है और जो परक्यूशन कैप जो उसके पीछे वाला है उसके ऊपर स्ट्राइकर पिन का निशान है, लेकिन शायद किसी ने कॉक करते टाइम शायद उसका रह गया होगा, क्योंकि उसके अलावा और कोई इसका स्कोप बचता नहीं है, नहीं तो वो भी फायर्ड केस में ही होता। 12 बोर का एक विनचेस्टर मेड इन USA नंबर 12 सुपर लिखा हुआ है, ये एक 12 बोर का कार्ट्रिज मिला है। टोटल 6 ऐसे ब्रदर्स हैं, वो फॉरेंसिक टीम और नगर निगम ने इनको रिकवर किया है, क्योंकि इनमें से कोई भी पुलिस का बोर नहीं है और हमें पुलिस के ही उन चीजों की जानकारी होती है।
Well, crossing over to my colleague Sabyasachi, who joins us live in the broadcast. Sabyasachi, the highlight and the focus of today is Rahul Gandhi's visit to Sambal. But the question is, do they have the permission to do the same?
Well, see, clearly no permission has been granted to Mr. Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi Vadra or the other Congress MPs who have planned a visit to Sambal. Meanwhile, the district magistrate of Sambal, in fact, have written a letter to the commissionerate of Ghaziabad as well as Gautam Budh Nagar and the SP of Amroha and Bulandshahr not to allow the Congress convoy to enter the district. Now, this letter has been written to the police of several districts to stop the convoy of Mr. Rahul Gandhi from entering into Sambal. Now, prohibitory orders are in place currently in Sambal till 10th of December, as they have said that nobody from outside, whether any belongs to any NGO or public representative, should be allowed to enter the Sambal, as there may be a threat to the law and order situation. Meanwhile, the Congress General Secretary Avinash Pandey has said that he would be gathering at Ghazipur border to extend their support to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and have asked the people's support to gather out there in large numbers, and from there they would head towards Sambal. Meanwhile, all eyes will be on the Congress party, because yesterday Akhilesh Yadav made a speech on Sambal and targeted the Uttar Pradesh administration and the government. So clearly the war of words between the opposition and the central government is continuously increasing on the Sambal issue, whereas the BJP has been alleging that whether it is the Congress or other political parties are doing appeasement politics, and there has been selective outrage from their side.
Well, absolutely. So the war of words continues, but as far as the visit of Rahul Gandhi to Sambal is concerned, it remains to be seen whether he'll be allowed or not. But Sabyasachi, as far as the investigation into the case is concerned, what we are learning is that the police has found cartridges belonging to Pakistan and also United States from the site of violence. Could you give us more details on that?
See, as per the police sources, they have found the cartridges that are being used towards the police by the mob. In fact, as per the sources, the cartridges has been made in Pakistan. That's what the information is speaking. See, more details will come up as far as the investigation proceeds, but clearly the local administration and the local police is keeping a tight watch over the situation, as they are looking at a larger conspiracy behind it.
Well, absolutely. So today's focus will be Rahul Gandhi's visit to Sambal. It remains to be seen whether he'll be allowed or not. As my colleague Sabyasachi was telling us, there is in fact restriction in place. So it remains to be seen, Sabyasachi, whether he'll be allowed or not, because earlier this week we saw a scuffle between the police as well as the Congress leaders in Lucknow. And after that, a day later, the Congress leaders in fact went to Sambal and made Rahul Gandhi speak to the family members there. So what is going to happen today is something that remains to be seen, Sabyasachi.
Well, that's right. See, today how the development take place, because Mr. Rahul Gandhi along with the Congress delegate is expected to leave at around 10 a.m. As per the schedule that has been shared by the Congress party. So Mr. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress delegate will try to reach Sambal, because earlier the leaders from Uttar Pradesh from the Congress party decided that they would head towards Sambal. Meanwhile, they were house arrested by the local administration, not allowing them to head towards Sambal. Meanwhile, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and other Congress delegation are adamant on the fact that they would reach Sambal and meet with the family members of the alleged victims. So clearly at this particular time, the war of words is clearly escalating between the BJP and the Congress party, whereas the BJP has been alleging the Congress party of selective outreach. So clearly Rahul Gandhi along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other Congress MPs would be heading towards Sambal and would want that they would meet with the family members of the victim.
Thank you, Sabyasachi, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. This will remain our top focus story. Now,